Guys, hi, this is CMA Pradeep Dhyani, your teacher, your mentor. So, guys, in this video, I will try to motivate and boost up all those who is currently disappointment with the decision taken by government due to abolishment of GST audit. Yes, guys, as you know that in the recent budget, government has withdrawn the GST audit. Okay, GST audit is abolished. So, guys, those CMA qualified who has recently started their CMA practicing firm, they are now impact due to the decision taken by the government or CMA fraternity now thinking about the what will be the impact on CMA profession. Should we continue CMA profession or not? So guys, I will try to boost up or motivate guys. As you know that in our life, if I am talking about in personal life or in professional life, we need to face such kind of decision taken by government or maybe in our personal life, we need to stay positive or stay calm, and we need to adopt the changes. Okay guys, so guys, yes, there will be a little bit change, but we have a lot of work, like still we need to file a GST return, TDS return, income tax return, and cost audit. We can also file cost audit return, so need not to worry, lot of many work. We have to focus on the those work we still have. Okay guys, maybe government will think about in future about GST audit, so need not to worry. And those students who are currently in CMA foundation, inter and final, I will suggest you that focus on those study and try to complete CMA foundation, inter or final as soon as possible, and do not think about these kind of you can say that rumor spreading in the profession. But just yes, there will be a little bit impact, but many more opportunities are coming to us as the institute is working on hard day by day. Okay guys, you need not to worry about on those aspect. We have a lot of work. Most of the CMA are working in corporate, in private organizations, in PSU. One of my friend is working with Coal India and getting a good amount of salary. So yes guys, in government, CA and CMA and CS, three thrice are equal. CA, CS, CMA, all three are equal. Three profession are equal, need not to worry. I will, in this channel I will come up the strategies video, how you can clear after CMA, you can clear the PSU, what will be the preparation strategy for PSU. Yes guys, lot of more opportunities in PSU for CMA profession, or in private organization, in corporate world, in MNCs, or in big four. Need not to worry, lot more opportunities available for CMA profession, and institute is day and night working hard for getting more and more opportunities. We need to stay calm, stay positive, and always motivate guys. Okay guys, there is a little bit impact on GST audit abolishment, but maybe in the upcoming time, institute the government will think about his decision and maybe change his decision. So yes guys, at this current time, you need to focus on your study, and those who has recently started their practice need to work on those available work and try to get more and more work. Okay guys, and for those who are appearing for PSU, as you know that in PSU, CA, CS, CMA are equal, so no need to think about such kind of maybe decision taken by maybe it is also possible that key government should take such more decisions, but we have to find the opportunities. We need not to think about the negativity, we always think about and try to get more opportunities. Okay guys, and yes, if impact GST audit impact will fall on CA and CMA for both. Okay, so we cannot say that the total impact fall on CMA only. Yes guys, as you know that CA and CMA are both are working on GST audit. So that's all about in this video. I will try to convince you that you need to work hard and try to complete foundation, inter and final as soon as possible and become qualified CMA. Lot more opportunities are available. We need not to a single minute to waste on thinking about on negative aspect. We always need to think about positive aspect. Okay guys, hope you understand. After watching this video, still in your mind you have any doubt, you can ask me, I will try to solve your query. Okay guys, we need to see the positivity. That's all about in this video. Bye guys.